I am Omar Brantley. I am the CEO of Judah Property Exchange. I'm the one that you'll be working directly with. We had opportunities to be creative here, to be a staple in St. Louis. We are taking over Old North St. Louis, and we're going to do it in a major way. The profit margins are large, and the opportunities are great. We want you to join in. We want you all to be partners with us. This is Operation Rebuild Historic Old North St. Louis. This downtown, historic neighborhood in Old North St. Louis advocates for pure humanity. Everyone is accepted, and the community has a new attitude for love. This is a home buyer's paradise. Getting a brand new home with great equity inside, our homes will be in families' lives for generations to come. In real estate, the homes don't determine the value, the area does. And what a great area this is. Old North St. Louis has a rich history, dating back to 1816 as the village of North St. Louis. It had many changes over the past couple centuries. After annexation by the city of St. Louis in 1841 and a growing into a very densely populated and vibrant neighborhood, the community experienced tremendous deterioration. In 1981, there were a group of residents, small business owners, and community leaders in Old North St. Louis neighborhood who established the Old North St. Louis Restoration Group with a mission to restore and develop the physical and social dimensions of the community in a manner that respects its historic, cultural, and urban character. So guys, there is an entire organization that is dedicated to this land and the improvement of it. That's very important. Because when investing in real estate or as a developer of real estate, it's important that you are not the only one who sees the value in the land that you're thinking about working with. But it is equally as important that you are the first to act upon it. And there's a lot more information here about the history of this restoration group and their dedication to this Old North St. Louis. Feel free to visit www.onsl.org.